We're at Empire Manufacturing, Hoddesdon in Hertfordshire. Great success story, loads of investment in new machines, but part of the thing holding it all together, PSL Datatrack.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's a great bit of software that helps us keep on top of everything that's going on with the business. Obviously, you can't remember everything all the time, so it's good to have something there that you can reference back to.
You started in 2008?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
And how long have you had PSL?
2008. Yeah, we started with it. Yeah, we used it at a previous company, and when we started Empire, it was just a given that we was going to carry on with it. It's developed a lot over the years, and it's got a lot better as well. And there's a lot of features now with it, half of which we don't use, but the ones that we do, you can add to them, and that's what we've done over the years.
Okay, so a couple of things you said there. I understand they've got about 26 modules. You don't have to buy them all then?
No, that's right. You can start off with a real simple package with just the bare basics, and then you can build on from there, which is what we've done.
Okay, so roughly how many, I'll put you on the spot here, how many modules have you got now?
I think we've got about 8 or 9. Yeah.
Okay. Anything that they're all obviously very useful to you. Anything in particular?
A few things that save us a lot of time is the exporting invoices straight up to Sage, so that deals with that in one fell swoop for us.
So you want to get those invoices out?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's just a time saver in being able to upload them as a bulk upload, so that's quite handy. But otherwise, as well, keeping storage of all the material certs. We have customers that will come back to us years later after we've delivered a part and say, "Oh, our customers said that they need a material cert for that part," and yeah, we'll still have it on record. So yeah,
so you don't have to plan through loads of filing cabinets?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we're as paperless as possible.
Okay. Now, again, it is an off-the-shelf product, 26 modules. I'm hoping that's the right amount of modules, obviously. But they've sort of built things around you and tailored it specifically for Empire as well?
Yeah. So the software itself, you've got loads of different options in there within all different modules, and you can tailor it to how you set things up, how you want it to work for yourself. But as well as that, if there is a feature that you think would be nice and that it isn't currently available, you can phone them up and you can ask for it. They've got a wish list feature, which you can email them and say, "Oh, I think it'd be really great if it could do this or such and such." And quite often then they'll bring an update out and it will be included in the update.
Okay, so you say about communication with PSL Datatrack, you've been using it, like I say, since 2008.
Yeah.
How is communication and ongoing training and things like that, if required?
Yeah, I mean, we don't have an awful lot of training on it, to be honest. We generally pick things up as we go along when we add to it. But yeah, I mean, the training's available. They can do it online or they can come to your premises. Obviously, online's preferable at the moment. Okay. But yeah, it's once you've got to grips with how it works, it all kind of falls into place. So you tend to not really need an awful lot of training, we found. But yeah, it's good. We've had some major updates in recent years, and it takes a little bit to kind of learn the new stuff. But like with a lot of software, you use what you need to use, and there's so much more that it can do that you just don't know about. So a little bit of training every now and again is probably a good thing, just to keep you up to date with it.
So it's a very powerful tool, but it's intuitive, nice and simple to use.
It is, yeah, we find it very good, yeah.
And then what you alluded to there, if there is any training required, straight on the phone to Jeff, Tara, Dean and the team?
Yeah, if there is anything that you want to know, then they come back to you really quick. You can just ping an email off to them and someone will respond that day.
Brilliant. Empire Manufacturing, a great success story in terms of investment. Final question is almost statement. PSL Datatrack, key to the success of your business?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it helps us in so many ways. It would be a nightmare trying to keep track of everything without it.
Brilliant. Stuart, thank you very much.
Thanks.